Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a low-latency provider that supports WireGuard or UDP. This reduces ping. Once chosen, create your account and install the app on the device you play Mlbb on. Make sure to enable the kill switch and auto-reconnect features so traffic won't leak. Close Mobile Legends and all background apps to free CPU and network resources. After that, test connection speed to candidate servers and note RTT values so you can pick the best server next. You now connect to the optimal server you identified. Choose a server close to the game cluster to minimize hops. Once connected, switch the VPN protocol to WireGuard for consistent low latency, and if available, set MTU around 1400 to avoid fragmentation. Enable split tunneling to keep game traffic on the tunnel while other apps use direct internet, reducing overhead. After configuration, launch Mobile Legends and watch the in-game ping. If it spikes, try a different nearby server. You finish by locking the VPN connection before you queue so your game session stays routed. Run a quick custom match to confirm stable latency under match conditions. If you encounter matchmaking errors or high packet loss, toggle between WireGuard and UDP, reconnect, and clear the Mobile Legends cache. That often resolves session tokens. If problems persist, run ping and traceroute to the game server to spot hops causing delay, and switch to an alternate provider server every 5 to 10 minutes when instability appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.